Imagine being able to generate a complete children's ebook in minutes. Not just a story, but a full structured book with page-by-page text, illustration prompts, cover design, and even consistent character visuals ready for publishing. That's exactly what this prompt is designed to do when used inside ChatGPT. What you're looking at here is a full-stack prompt built specifically to generate a children's ebook from start to finish. It doesn't just produce a story, it builds an entire book system. Inside this prompt, there are two types of bracketed elements you need to understand. The first type are customizable variables like child name, lion name, personality traits, and visual style. These are the parts you can change to create different versions of the same book idea. The second type are instructional brackets, which are not meant to be edited. These exist purely to guide ChatGPT by giving it structure, context, or examples so it knows exactly how to behave and what kind of output to generate. Now, starting with the role section, this is where you define what ChatGPT is supposed to be. In this case, it is assigned the identity of a professional children's book author, illustrator, brief writer, and storytelling expert. The purpose of this is to set the mindset of the AI so it produces high quality, creative, and professionally structured storytelling instead of generic responses. Next is the task section, and this is where you define what you actually want to create. Here, the task is to generate a complete children's ebook concept about a child and a lion exploring Africa. The purpose of this section is to lock in the main objective, so everything that follows stays focused on building a full book rather than just a short story. Next is the output structure section, which tells ChatGPT how to organize everything. It breaks the book into clear parts like title options, character descriptions, story outline, page-by-page content, and cover design. The purpose of this section is to ensure the output is clean, structured, and ready to use without needing manual editing or reformatting. Then we go into the page-by-page format rule, which is one of the most important parts. This forces each page to include short story text and a detailed illustration prompt. The purpose here is consistency, making sure every page can directly be turned into a visual scene using AI image tools. After that are the cover and back cover sections. These are included to complete the full publishing package. The purpose is to make sure you are not just getting a story, but an entire book product, including a marketable front cover and a parent-facing summary on the back. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. Finally, the style, consistency rules, and final instructions exist to control quality. The purpose of these is to keep characters visually consistent across all pages, and to ensure ChatGPT stays specific, cinematic, and structured without drifting into vague or generic writing. This is what makes the final output feel polished and professional. So when you put everything together, this prompt is not just generating a story, it is generating an entire children's ebook system that is structured, consistent, and ready for illustration and publishing inside ChatGPT. So when you copy this entire prompt after customizing it and then paste it into ChatGPT, you will have an entire ebook packed with all the assets, instructions, prompts, and other information you need to build the ebook. If you want to know how to build the actual ebook, watch the video in the pinned comments down below, and I'll see you on our next video.